Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would just like to show you how to create a 2D project in Unity. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all you just need to open on your Unity hub. So here you can see I open my Unity hub. Now you just need to go on the top right corner, there have an option new project, select on it. And if you want to make a 2D project, so for that at first option or temple, just go here. Now select 2D and then just go here, project name, select it. Now change your project name 2D project. Then you can change your location from here. You can select your folder, project folder, anywhere. So after select your folder, then you need to select create project. So that's it, you can see it's opening now. So in this project you just create or you just develop for a 2D game, not 3D or anything, just for 2D. So here you can see now my Unity is opening, and after open my Unity you can develop your 2D game from here. So that's it guys, and in this way you can create a 2D project on Unity very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.